Hello. Oh, am I in focus? Focus on me. Hello. It me. Good morning, everyone. For today's video, I am going to be doing a react style video. I did something like this a couple months ago where I reacted to the internet's idea of popular or the best Korean beauty products. And so I thought I would do something similar because I stumbled across some, shall we say, interesting articles. So let's get started, shall we? Let's Googie Korean beauty trends. So this first article I found is called 10 of the most unusual beauty trends in South Korea. It is from a company called Culture Trip, or this website, and it was written in April of 2018, so it's fairly recent. Eye smiles, the Aegyo-sal, can be achieved through makeup, surgery, or filler injections. So not gonna lie, when I first started getting into Korean beauty, I read a lot about Aegyo-sal, and I was kind of mystified by it because I think the layman's or the easiest way to explain it to someone who's not Korean or to someone who is new to Korean beauty or Korean beauty trends is under eye bags. And essentially that's not really what it is. When you think about under eye bags, you think about kind of lower on the eye area, kind of in this area, having more of a fat deposit. But an Aegyo-sal isn't really that, even though it's under eye bags. It's closer to the actual eye socket and the under eye line. A lot of babies kind of have that under eye fat. Now, when it comes to Korean beauty trends, the biggest theme is looking youthful and young. That is kind of the ultimate goal. And it kind of makes sense when you think of it that way. Like, what is the most youthful and young thing you can think of? A baby! And I guess the interesting part about this is people do get filler or surgery, although not as common as this article would lead you to believe. Some people do, and I guess that's kind of a good lesson for everyone, is this is maybe why you don't, alter your face permanently when it comes to trends, because trends change like anything. Scalp routine. Really? That's unusual? Am I crazy? I've actually seen a lot of Western hair companies come out with a lot more scalp products. I think because people are realizing that, your scalp is skin. Have you guys seen those horror pictures at barber shops and salons where they get clients that don't properly rinse the shampoo or hair product off their head? I'm stuttering thinking about it. Moral of the story, people, wash your head. No squeezing. What is nose squeezing? Are quickly becoming a staple in Koreans' beauty arsenal. I don't know if that's a standard of Korean beauty. I don't even know what this Tony Moly nose up thing is. Tony Moly nose up. Oh. I've definitely seen these. Again, call me crazy. I've never seen anyone use these, but I think most people know that this doesn't actually do anything in the long term. It might, squeeze your nose for temporarily and make it look higher, I guess. But I think most people know that these are just kind of gimmicky little tools. Again, I feel like this is a YouTube made it popular, but it's really not that popular in real life. Is that a thing? It's definitely not oh, every Korean woman has this in her kit. Snail slime. I love Snail products. I get the you factor because when I first started getting into Korean beauty, I was like, say what? After I tried it and you realize it's not like it smells funny or it's weirdly sticky. The only way you know that there's snail slime in it is if it says it's in it. And also, of course, because it makes your skin freaking beautiful. The next thing I have here is rib resection. Bonk. Resection? I've never heard of that. I don't think this is popular. Says here on the side, some 20% of Korean women have admitted having undergone a cosmetic surgery such as rib resection.
What?
It's a bit of a leading statement, isn't it? That doesn't mean that 20% of Korean women have had rib resection. Naughty way of phrasing it. That is very misleading. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, obviously plastic surgery is something that is popular in Korea, and it's not just because Korean people get it, it's because the technology is so advanced, so a lot of people travel to Korea to get plastic surgery. Medical tourism is a big part of the Korean economic sphere. And like I said, I've never heard any of my family, any of my friends, anyone I've talked to I have never heard of anyone talk about rib resection. A lot of times people just see that plastic surgery is popular in Korea and then they're like, well, then that must mean that they go to all extremes. But at the same time, this is everywhere. I'm not gonna sit here and say that there's no room for improvement when it comes to societal expectations and beauty standards when it comes to Korea, but let's not say it's only Korea. It's also everywhere else. They're just different trends. So this one was a little all over the place. Like there were definitely some things I think they just picked it and said it was popular in Korea because it is a little outlandish to think, oh my gosh, people get their ribs removed. But I don't think that they're like trends in Korea. Okay, this one is from Elle, and the article name is Snail Slime to Jelly Pack, the weird and wonderful Korean skincare products you need, written in 2017. Maison Snail Slime Range. I love Maison. Honestly, if you're trying to get into snail products, Maison is where to start. Like, they have some of my favorite skincare products in general. Their snail line is bomb, so you should try that out. Etude House Cherry Lip Gel Patch. Again, I don't think these are that weird, but does anyone else like notice a long-term benefit from products like these? I have tried these in the past, obviously, but I don't know if I like notice anything like long-term. I don't know. I feel like right after I take it off, I'm like, my lips are wet. Okay, this one's from Bustle. 20 weird but genius Korean beauty products that are going viral. The Kylie Moisturizer Lips Care Surplus Bright Flower. I'm pretty sure Kylie is not Korean. When was this article written? Okay, so I'm getting hungry. I don't know if there's even a goal of this video. Let's go ahead and close this video out because I think we're running into a lot of the same types of ingredients or weird, I'm putting these in quotes because again, I don't think they're that weird, Korean beauty trends. Also, let me put this out there. I don't feel like I need to, but maybe I do, because in my last video where I did like me reacting to the internet's version of the best Korean beauty products, this is absolutely not a bashing video. This is more of just a reaction video. Obviously, people have different opinions and differing, standpoints, different cultural norms. That's a thing, you guys. So I'm not saying like these opinions are totally wrong. There's a knot in my hair. This is just meant to be taken as entertainment, a fun video. Don't look too deeply into this. And yeah. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.